Mission of Hope for the last 10 years has been providing Ramadan iftars for refugees here in Australia. For the refugees that are being processed in detention and refugees that are newly settled. And it gives them a sense of community. They're able to share meals with people who are outside of their immediate circle. They're able to, meet new people, share stories, and it sort of harkens back to the culture that they've come from as well. And these meals are religiously and culturally appropriate, and they also provide hampers and blankets and other resources as well. And it's just a beautiful thing. And honestly, for the people that have taken part in this campaign previously, they've said it's a life-changing experience because they gain as much from it as much as the refugees that they're supporting. So it's important to support campaigns like this.
My name is Merva Pelcher.
My name is Makhatsi Mingil.
My name is Hadi.
My name is Osman Isa.
I'm Rosmanita Nazar.
My full name is Nusrat Jahan.
My name is Asma Fahmi. I work for Islamic Help Australia. It's really important to support the refugee community here in Australia because they've already gone through a lot of trauma. They've experienced loss. They've lost family and friends and loved ones. They've had to leave everything behind to start afresh, somewhere new, somewhere very foreign to them. Ramadan is so important to them, and that sense of family, that sense of community, coming together, sharing meals. If they don't get support here, especially during Ramadan, then it's just going to make it even worse for them. And I think as a community we need to bind together to help the most vulnerable people in our community.
I know there are refugees in Australia who are less fortunate than I, but please, this Ramadan, please donate something to them so that they can enjoy the lavish meals and food that they had back in their home country over here. Because imagine you not being able to have the food that you had every day for Ramadan, but rather getting a small portion of what you actually had, and it not even being cultural food. So please donate to them this Ramadan.
I wish for that the refugee, for everyone, he got God help him and look after him. There must be the people here, if you can't stop everyone, they help another one, especially in Ramadan. The God love him, in everyone they have to love for another, your brother. You have to feel it. That especially for the Ramadan, you have to feel everyone for another one, because that's why he mean it. You have to feel it for another one.
We should share with the other Muslim people, and also who don't have a food, whoever come from other religion also, and especially who is missing their families in Bangladesh, Rohingya Muslims, Syrian people, and also Turkish people, whoever is suffering in this Muslim Ummah, who is suffering from the war, all these kind of things. We should actually share our enjoyment and our all this enjoyment with them.
Ramadan Kareem for everyone in Australia, all the countries, and I hope enjoy Ramadan. Everyone, even the poor people, I like to give food or anything for them, money, to get some like us. Very good.
My name is Makhatsi Mingil, and I'm wishing you a happy Ramadan. Inshallah, also look out for the less fortunate and make sure you donate to them, inshallah, as well. Thank you.
I hope you have a wonderful Ramadan.
Yeah, Ramadan Kareem for everyone in Israel and in the world too. Everyone, every Muslim and everyone in all the world.
It's Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan is coming.
1, 2, 3. Ramadan Mubarak. Yes, Daddy.